Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to solve Redmi or Xiaomi phone sound problem or speaker not working problem. Guys, if you try to open a music or incoming call, there have no sound. Your speaker is not working. When you try to open a music or video, there have no sound, and in this video you can learn how to solve this problem, how to solve your speaker problem, or how to solve your sound problem. So for that you need to go on your phone settings. Okay, after go on your phone settings, first you need to check your MIUI version is updated or not. Now check for update. So if your MIUI version is not updated, your software is not updated, make sure your software is updated at first. Okay, after that what should you do? You just need to check on your sound and vibration. Just go here, and now you need to check your music is, if like that your music, games and media option is like that, just go like that, then call, make like that, and after that your problem already solved. So guys, in this way you can solve your sound problem, speaker problem in Xiaomi or Redmi mobile. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.